In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text on Substack, ensuring your posts have that polished, professional look. This is especially useful when you want to emphasize certain parts of your content, making it visually appealing and easy for your readers to follow. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Substack. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. However, assuming you already have an account, log in with your credentials and navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard is where you manage all your posts and email newsletter publications. From here, if you haven't already started a new post, this is your opportunity. You can either create a new post or choose to edit one that you've already been working on. This flexibility allows you to integrate centered text into a new piece or enhance an existing one by focusing on key elements that need emphasis. Once you've selected the post you want to work on, highlight the specific text segment you intend to center. This step is crucial because the placement of your text will directly impact its readability and the overall aesthetic of your post. With the text highlighted, look towards the editing toolbar for a little more customization. Here, you'll find an option labeled More. Click on it and it should reveal some additional formatting tools. In this menu, you might notice an intriguing option titled Poetry. Selecting poetry can often be a neat workaround as it automatically centers your text in a visually distinct format. However, if this doesn't align perfectly with your needs, you can proceed to the next step. After selecting poetry, you might still need to adjust the positioning manually. You can do this by pressing the spacebar multiple times. It might seem a bit old school, but this allows you to nudge the text into place, achieving the exact centering you envision. It's a simple yet effective method when more direct tools aren't available. Don't hesitate to experiment a bit to see what looks best. Remember, visual flow is essential in keeping your reader engaged. Now that you have adjusted the text to your satisfaction, it's time to check how it appears from your reader's perspective. Simply click on the preview button. This option gives you a sneak peek of how your changes will be presented when published. Take this chance to review and ensure that the text alignment enhances your content as intended. If further adjustments are needed, repeat the earlier steps as necessary. And there you have it, centering text on Substack in just a few simple steps. Remember, creating a visually engaging post can significantly improve reader experience and content retention. Thank you for watching and happy writing.